The following text both describes camping trips. This text is told from the point of view of Mr.
Garner,
a mother,
motto,
homeowner,
my wife,
and I take camping trips in our fancy modern
motto.
home.
Yeah, motto. This is a motto. Okay, motto. Motto home. No. Motto home. Okay. We
stay in the best parks where we
hooked up. Okay. That's hook. Hook up means you connect to something. Okay. Hook. It's so snow. What's that?
Motor.
Motor. Okay. Hook. Hook is a verb here.
Hook.
Hook.
Okay. Yes, yeah.
To
connect
by
or as if by hook. To connect by a hook. Okay. To connect by hook. Okay, here is
it lets you hook up your phone to a bigger screen.
Okay, it connects your phone to a big screen. Okay. Hook up.
Hook.
Can spell it.
Okay, hook.
Yeah, what's that?
Connect.
Okay. Connect. No. Hook. Well, we
Hook up the
camper
to water and electricity.
Good camper. I think camper here means the car. Camper. Okay.
We take lots of
groceries
and cook dinner in our kitchen at night. We sleep loud, soundly in our comfortable beds.
Okay.
This text is told from the point of view of
Mrs. Power. Okay. Don't make that sound. Power.
The following pronunciation is brought to you by
Powell,
Power.
Powell,
Power.
Powell,
Okay, it's a last name. Okay, Power. Okay, Mrs. Power.
Who comes in the when
Wideness. Okay, wideness. Okay, the outside wideness. What's that?
hook,
Hook.
hook,
Hook.
hook,
Hook.
hook,
What's that?
content,
Connect.
connect, connect.
Okay.
It tells that you hook up your phone to a bigger screen.
Okay, hook up means connect. Okay. Wideness.
Wilderness.
Whether this
Oh, wilderness.
Wilderness.
Weird. Okay, good.
Wilderness.
whether this whether this
Okay.
a wind
I think here it pronounces wilderness.
Wild.
wild
Here the wild.
Wild. Wild.
adjective
Okay, but here it pronounces wilderness.
Wilderness.
wilderness
Wilderness.
wilderness
Wilderness.
wilderness
Okay.
and wind
A wild.
and natural area in which few people live.
Okay.
Wilderness.
Wilderness
Wilderness.
wilderness
Okay.
she enjoys hiking
Hikes.
the wilderness
Wilderness.
wilderness
Can spell it.
WILDERNESS wilderness now.
Okay. Yeah, wild.
Wild
Okay. Outdoors.
outdoors
Okay. Wilderness. Okay. Good. Okay, who camps in the
wilderness high park path lights
night?
one high go cabin
I pack night. Okay, I don't pack a lot of things. I pack a very little thing. I pack a night, not heavy. Okay, while I go camping.
all I need is a sleeping bag. I don't carry much food because I know how to find the
Wild.
wild plants that are safe to eat. To me, camping means making a fire and
Falling.
falling asleep
Beneath.
beneath
Below something. Beneath.
the
Under something.
beneath the skin.
Starry. Starry. You see, you know star. I think you add y, making the adjective. No. What's that?
Wilderness,
Good.
Wilderness.
wilderness,
Wilderness.
wilderness,
Wilderness.
wilderness,
Okay. Wild.
wild,
Okay.
outdoors,
Okay. Starry. It's an adjective.
Starry.
Starry.
Starry. Starry.
Okay.
Adjective.
Okay, you know star, right? Star, the star in the sky. Okay, that's a noun.
Fall of stars.
Okay.
Starry.
Star.
Okay, can spell it.
S-T-A-R-R-Y. Starry.
Okay.
Fall of stars. A starry sky.
Okay, a sky has a lot of stars. Okay. Star having a lot of stars. Okay. What is it? Okay. To me, camping means making a fire and falling asleep beneath the.
Starry night sky.
Okay. Let's look at the question.
Is Mr.
Mrs.
Mrs.
a female lady.
Mrs.
Powers.
Point of view different from Mr.
Garner's.
Garner's.
This is Garner. This is Mr. Powell. Mrs.
Power describes what can go wrong on a camping trip. Mrs. Power describes camping as living on what you find in nature.
Okay, so which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay, let's read some. Okay.
The following text both tells about getting a new dog.
Okay, tax. This is a plural, so you don't need to ask here, right? You if you hear singular, use tells. He tells. The text is tell. Okay.
This text is told from the point of view of a boy who
Recently.
Recently got a dog.
Recently, not too long ago.
As soon as I saw him, a new little spot was the one.
Okay, as soon as means when I saw him immediately, I knew the little spot was the one. Little spot is the one I want. So as soon as means immediately after I saw him, I knew the little spot was the one dog I'm looking for.
Maybe it was his gentle brown eyes. Anyway, I could just tell he was the sweet puppy I'd always wanted right away. I could picture him
Scrabbling. What's that?
Starry.
Good.
Starry.
Starry.
Starry. Starry.
Starry. Full of stars. A starry sky.
Okay. Let me stop here.